With Junk Bus. Customer called us today to do a garage clean out. As I discussed before, most of the stuff we get is recyclable or we'll donate. Definitely in this garage, once we clean it out, we're probably going to donate 90% of this stuff that's in the garage. There's boxes of papers, there's computers, there's welders, there's trash cans. I mean, there's all kind of stuff in here. And again, we're going to give this to Goodwill or to people who need it the most. So a lot of the stuff you think, that you're throwing out is still good to use. I mean, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So again, this stuff will go to the needy, Goodwill, Salvation Army. So it's for a good cause. So this is Junk Bus. If you need a garage clean out, give us a call. 1-888-759-JUNK or 504-322-4959. Thank you.